Hey, buddy, go ahead. Get your surprise egg.
Cheese.
Okay, open your surprise egg right here on the table. What is it, you think?
I don't know.
You don't know? Is it a T-Rex?
No.
Is it a superhero?
No.
What is it? What is that?
Friday.
What's inside?
Open it.
How do you open it?
No, I couldn't open it.
Can you open it? No? Let's see if Daddy can open it. Oh. What is that? Is that spaghetti?
Chocolate.
You like chocolate? Mommy, do you know how to open this surprise egg?
Yeah, bring it here.
Okay, give it to Mommy. We'll zoom in on Mommy, showing her skills and abilities. Mommy, I think this is your first YouTube appearance on Eli's channel. What is it, Eli?
Oh, a turtle.
Turtle.
Let me see. Bring it up here. Bring it up here all the way. Let's see. Put it right in front of the camera. What kind of turtle?
That turtle.
Let's see. It is a turtle. Okay, what do you say to all your YouTube fans?
Thank you.
Say see you later.
See you later.
Wave bye-bye.
Bye bye.